What's up everybody, this is Mr. Yap and this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to transfer your pictures and videos from your Canon camera to your phone. Now before you get started, download the Canon Connect app at the Google App Store or the Apple Store if you're using an iPhone or an Android. Now open up the Canon Connect app. Once you turn on your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, click on the camera settings icon in the bottom and you'll see a pop-up. Go ahead and just ignore that and press yes. But automatically you'll see these two options and your camera should be detected. Mine is the Canon T7i, and then as you can see here it says detecting Bluetooth camera. Now get your Canon camera and click on the menu and navigate to function settings and select wireless communication settings and then Bluetooth function, and I'm going to do pairing. Now it's going to pair, and this might just take a few seconds. And then it says connect to the smartphone, and there, voila. And it says start. Now I could go ahead and move images to my phone. Easy as that. And this is searching for networks, connecting via Wi-Fi. And then that's it, you guys. Well, I hope you were able to successfully connect your Canon camera to your phone. Please leave a message in the comments and let me know, what pictures you successfully transferred, and maybe share them. Looking to collaborate with photographers and graphic designers of all sorts. Once again, this is Mr. Yap, also known as LB1. You're watching Yap TV.